Wait, be here.
Hello everyone, I'm Kritika. Me and my teammates Indira and Zil worked on a project which is a common AI challenge of HAP 786, which is guided by Professor Farooq Alimi. Next slide. So our main project is about the AI systems for management of the patient with major depressive disorder. So it is divided into five sub projects, which is the common AI challenges, analyze missing values, remove algorithm bias, actionable AI advice, and the follow up. So we are mainly dealing with the common AI challenges. Our current focus is like exploring the common AI challenges with emphasis on the mental health applications, which enhances the diagnosis, treatment, patient engagement, and the administration. And the chatbots in mental health provide evidence based therapy for anxiety and depression. Coming to the next slide. So this is all the information which is taken by chatbot, which is the age and gender of the patient, depression in the sense that the type of depression, severity and the recurrence, and the history of psychotherapy, the prior use of the antidepressants, current medication, comorbidities and other illnesses. This all data is taken by the other projects. Coming to the next slide. So, the main objective of this project is evaluating the chatbot performance for antidepressant recommendations, identifying and addressing the weakness in the chatbot responses, test the scenarios to uncover the challenges and propose solutions, and integrate the user medical history for personalized data driven insights to improve the tailored treatment suggestions to reduce the prescription errors and to promote a transparent, reliable, and user centric decision making process.
Hi everyone, my name is Sil, and here I'm explaining about how we identified and fixed the issues with the chatbot. First, we started with challenge identification. We asked chatbot tricky questions on purpose to see where it got confused. This helped us to find the areas where the chatbot wasn't working properly. Then we did scenario testing. Here we created all kinds of random and unpredictable questions to see how the chatbot would handle them. They showed us how well it could deal with different types of situation. Next, we used stress analysis, where we tested the chatbot with difficult or unclear questions to see how it performed under pressure. After that, we did a response evaluation where we carefully looked at the chatbot's reply to find mistakes or weaknesses. This helped us understand what need to be improved. Finally, we made interactive adjustment. This means we updated and improved the chatbot step by step, based on what we learned during testing. This process made the chatbot more accurate and reliable. Now, going to the challenge one, uh, let's talk about the first challenge we found, the chatbot's inability to handle pregnancy information. The issue is when user mentioned they were pregnant, the chatbot didn't adjust its responses. Instead, it kept asking unrelated gender question and didn't consider pregnancy when giving antidepressant recommendation. This showed that the chatbot couldn't handle important context like pregnancy. And because of this, the chatbot gave responses that didn't make sense and weren't helpful. And this caused confusion and made user uh, lose their trust in the system. Uh, let's go to the solution part. To fix this issue, we made several important changes to the chatbot. First, we enhanced chatbot context management by adding pregnancy as a special flag in the system. Since pregnancy is a critical factor for treatment option, this flag ensures that chatbot understand when pregnancy is mentioned and adjust its response accordingly. We also updated the code to clearly define antidepressants that are safe and unsafe during pregnancy. The chatbot is now programmed to avoid recommending any unsafe options and it helping ensure the safety of users. Also, another improvement was simplified the chatbot flow and content management. So if pregnancy is mentioned, the chatbot automatically recognize it and skips an irrelevant gender related question. Let's go to challenge two. Okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Indira and I will be explaining the challenge 2 that we found while vigorously conversing with the chatbot. And the second challenge after pregnancy was the chatbot incorrectly assuming about the user's context, where when we gave it questions about any appointments made previously, the chatbot incorrectly assumed that the user had booked an appointment before, despite the user explicitly stating otherwise. So, such assumptions demonstrate a lack of contextual understanding and can uh, decrease the trust of the user. And this results in confusion and frustration for the user due to responses that did not align with their actual situation. So, and for this challenge, the solution that we tested was we incorporated to enhance the context management and to better handle appointments made or not made. We designed a function for updating the appointment status of the patient or the user, where the chatbot first confirms if an appointment is made or not, and likewise it stores that data. And when after making the changes that are showed in the slide, we tested the chatbot where we asked a question, have I ever made an appointment? It correctly answers. If an appointment was not made, it correctly answers that it was the first conversation and there wasn't an appointment made before. So this was the solution too for the challenge we found. And coming to the results and insights of the chatbot, the key findings were there were significant gaps identified when complex and sensitive queries were given by the user. Uh, Although there was accuracy for more than 85% of the cases for simple cases, but the chatbot struggled with complex inputs such as pregnancy and multiple when patient had multiple conditions. Um, so in our evaluation of the chatbot performance in managing antidepressant recommendations, there were several key findings also. Um, while refining user queries, the chatbot's limitations highlighted that the need for human oversight is in mental health care is needed, and AI chatbots usually offer value for basic support, but should complement and not replace professional guidance in managing complex mental health needs. So, the recommendations we thought were suitable for this AI medical chatbot were improved user query parsing and using of advanced NLP technologies, and continuous iteration and testing is required. And also improving data handling for complex cases such as pregnancy and multiple conditions of the users. So these were the results and insights with this project we found, and these are the references. And thank you.